This month I'm going to break from my usual advice about being economical with language, and I'm going to encourage you to use more words to get your point across. Here's why. As human beings, we are great at coming up with abstractions, labels and buckets and categories to put things into. We put people into those categories too, and we start to talk about people, groups of people, as categories with labels. Even when there's no negative connotation with a label or the person wouldn't mind being labeled that way, using labels for people does put us on a path of distancing us from their humanity. So the exercise this month is to rehumanize language. Put people first. Start by trying it on someone else's work. When you're reading something, and especially if it gets you upset, like me reading the news almost any day, try replacing some of the group nouns for people with people. Immigrants become people who have come here from another country. Somalis are people from Somalia. Trumpers are people who support the president's policies. Start with the people and their choice or their action. Does this open up just a little space, a sliver of space for commonality, for the possibility of understanding? It feels that way to me. It takes a little pressure off. Then try it in your own writing. Even if you're writing about customers, customers are really people who buy your product. Subscribers are people who choose to receive your email or your blog posts, whatever. Does that change anything about the way that you think about those groups? It can be very subtle. Now, is it awkward? Yeah, maybe. Will a spelling or grammar checker say, you should revise this to be more concise? Probably. But sometimes we have to sacrifice a little bit of efficiency for the sake of humanity. And this, my friends, may be one of those times. So try rehumanizing your language. This will make you more attuned to dehumanizing language when you see it, and it may change the way you write and think yourself.